Alright, hey, what's up guys, good to be this time back with the Evo here. Today we are going to be doing the transmission fluid. So we have Redline MTF, two of those bad boys, and one MT90. So as far as that, we're going to be doing that. We also went ahead and grabbed a pump from O'Reilly, which is this thing right here. It looks like a tire pump, but it kind of is, but also not really. So kind of is just its own thing. Kind of strange, but you know. It also for some reason came with a, I guess, tire pump, I guess. I don't know, something weird like that. And a tire, like for a car. Super weird. No idea why all this was included with it, but kind of sick, not gonna lie. So yeah, we're just waiting on Matt right now to go ahead and get a catch can for us, and as far as that, we'll be working on it here soon for us. But yeah, we're just waiting on him right now, and I'll get back to you guys soon. And you want some good transmission fluid. I looked up on the forums and saw that the best transmission fluid that you can get is it's called Redline MTL. It's a cocktail between that and MT90. So I was gonna go ahead and show you guys the difference of, you know, the old transmission or old fluid to this. So first, if you wanna go ahead and look here, feels a lot better. I had Valvoline do my transmission fluid, which I know is not the best, but it was all I needed to do because I changed my axles on my car. So I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick how this goes ahead and shifts for us. So we're gonna be going around kind of like my neighborhood area, and I'll kind of show you just kind of like a little preview of this. Also, I'm doing a review on headlights here soon for you guys, so go ahead and like for that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go on the main road here. So